Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out.
Here I've got 2 portioned sea bass fillets. And here I've got a box of oolong tea. I'm doubling up this recipe by adding 2 tea bags instead of just 1 to the normal 8 ounces of recommended boiling water. Once the tea has cooled down, you can marinate and brine your fish fillets, but for this recipe it's just not going to be enough. We want to deepen that flavor by adding some soy sauce, white vinegar, granulated sugar, black bean garlic sauce, a pinch of ginger powder, or fresh if you have it, and some sesame oil. Then you want to just give this a good whisk until that sugar dissolves. Now add your fish fillets. And don't worry about them being fully submerged. They're going to float a little, so you'll have to flip them over back and forth while they're marinating. But you want to take it straight to the fridge and marinate for 2 to 4 hours. Or until they look something like this. Now in a hot pan on the stove, I'm going to add some oil. And you just want to make sure you get a nice thin layer across the whole bottom of that pan. Then add your fish fillets, top side down first. They're only going to need about 2 minutes of cooking time per side. Then just carefully flip each one of them over. Then I always give them a good rub in the pan to make sure the other side's coated with oil. It helps to prevent sticking. And in a perfect world, you should have some nice golden brown color on both your fillets. But now we gotta act fast. Gonna add some spinach directly to the pan. Then of course you remember our marinade, right? Well, we're gonna go ahead and throw in a splash of that right over the top as well. We want this to caramelize and turn into a sauce, as it helps to steam our fish when we throw on a lid. But don't leave it covered for more than a minute or you'll kill the spinach, which makes it dark green and soggy instead of bright green and vibrant. And you want to just pull all of it out with some tongs and set it in the center of a plate. In the meantime, the bottom of that fish will continue cooking and that sauce will caramelize. So now we've got a plate of greens, and we'll take one of those fish fillets, lay it right over the top. Now just glaze with a couple spoonfuls of our pan sauce. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And there you have it, Oolong Chilean sea bass, right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.